Hi everyone, welcome back to Cook with Antoniette T. Today I'm sharing a super easy and healthy baby food recipe, perfect for babies from 6 months and up. I'll be using unripe bananas, potatoes, spinach and tomatoes to make a nutritious homemade puree that my baby absolutely loves. So I'll be using half the banana since I noticed a whole banana is too much for my baby and she usually doesn't finish it, so half is perfect for her for now. Before we get started, I would like to acknowledge all the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming to view the content, and for the new subscribers, welcome and feel at home. Consider subscribing and liking the video. So I'll start by peeling the potatoes and then the bananas and wash the spinach and then put them together to boil. The food has been boiling and it's ready, and by the way I didn't put any salt or cooking oil. I just put clean water and put it to boil. Since the baby just started eating, it's recommended not to put spices or cooking oil or salt. Just boil the food. After all, they don't know so many tastes, so they are going to be okay with it. Next, I'm going to mash the food and then allow it to cool before I can blend it. I'm using Alion's blender. It's a 2-in-1 and has a jug that is 1.5 liters and this piece that you can see me pouring the mashed food. So I'm going to use it to blend and we'll see the results. And so far so good, guys. I like this blender. It's amazing and it's doing a great job.